gents, a welcome in or a welcome back. It's a Monkey Mar. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you click the like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications. Hey guys, a welcome in. Let's go check in on the latest with little Michael Vaughan, aka Monkey, missing out in Fruitland, Idaho. So after 2.5 weeks, crews remain dedicated to finding a missing Fruitland boy. Fruitland PD took to Facebook to give an update on the search on Friday. This was out August 13th, 2021. The Fruitland police have continued to search for 5-year-old Michael Joseph Vaughan, a Fruitland boy who has been missing for more than 2 weeks. He was last seen at about 6:30 p.m. on July 27th. Fruitland police gave an update on the search in a Facebook post on Friday. As we head into the weekend, and as people gather to enjoy time together, please take a moment to be grateful for the family and friends around you, Fruitland PD wrote. We have one family among us who is missing a very important member, and our 5-year-old Michael Joseph Vaughan remains ongoing. Payette County Sheriff Marine Patrol recently conducted a search of the Snake River, downstream of the area where Michael was last seen. Search crews continue to utilize drones, but one of the drones was recently damaged by a concerned citizen. Police want to remind Fruitland residents to call the Payette County Sheriff if they have any concerns about the drones. Search operations are scheduled to continue into next week as resources are available. The city of Fruitland has a webpage dedicated to sharing information and tip lines about Michael. The downloadable poster includes a very recent photo and the last time he was seen. So we need to go ahead and open that up. Resources from Idaho State Police and the Federal Bureau of Investigation continue to assist in the search. Fruitland PD continues to express the importance of sending tips to the police. A new tip line has been created for the search. Find Michael at fruitland.org. Tips can also be submitted through Crime Stoppers of Southwest Idaho. Michael is an active, inquisitive child, according to Fruitland Police. Crews have not eliminated any possibility, but said it is possible that he wandered somewhere and needs help from search crews. Local residents are asked to remain vigilant and observant for the boy. Michael's family remains fully cooperative with police, and crews remain dedicated to bringing Michael home. So we know Michael has blonde hair, blue eyes, about 3'7", and weighs roughly 50 pounds. He was last seen wearing a blue Minecraft t-shirt and a dark blue briefs. He also responds to the name of a Monkey. Where is this little boy? I am not sure if this is an old news press or if it's actually one from yesterday, so let me go ahead and see if it is, but let's go real quick and check out that other site. So this is the flyer that they were speaking of that is out. I thought it was going to be a picture of him actually wearing the Minecraft shirt, but it is the flyer that I had out in my last video. So that is the only update on little Michael Vaughan, aka Monkey Boy, and he has been missing. It is going to be close to 3 weeks, and his parents are not out in the public eye. They have not really spoke about anything, and I do not see a lot going on. Thought that maybe he still wandered off and he's hiding in someone's yard or in a field. I just do not think that happened. So either he was hurt accidentally and they put him away, or his parents know what happened, or he was kidnapped by a stranger or somebody that knows him. There is not enough media attention out on this little boy, so guys, please spread the word, share this video, and let me think if there's anything else that I am missing. And unfortunately, that is the only update on Little Monkey. Alright guys, drop them comments, drop them opinions, and with that, it is a wrap. I want to thank you all for coming in. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, whichever you prefer, and subscribe. Everyone have a good day or a good night wherever you are, in the world and stay vigilant. I am out.